Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a loop of starting and stopping? You want to improve your life, but it's hard to stay consistent. What if I told you the secret isn't in doing more, but in doing less daily? It all starts with a simple routine. The truth is, we all want better results, more productivity, better health, more success, but we often make it harder than it needs to be. We search for quick fixes, new methods, or hacks, but after a few days, we fall off track. The problem isn't a lack of desire, it's a lack of consistency. We overcomplicate things and expect instant results, only to burn out the solution. A simple daily routine step. 1. Know your why and stay consistent. The first step to consistency is understanding why you want to improve what's driving you. Whether it's gaining more energy, improving your health, or achieving success, your purpose will keep you motivated when things get tough. Step 2. Start small. You don't need a 2-hour workout or a 50-page book every day. Keep it simple. Start with 10 minutes of exercise, 10 pages of reading, or 5 minutes of meditation. The goal is not to do everything at once, but to build the habit of doing something every day. Small actions add up. Step 3. Make it a priority, a routine. Works only if you make it non-negotiable. Treat it like a meeting or an important task. Set a specific time each day and protect it. Don't let distractions like social media or emails take that time away from you. Prioritize yourself. Here's the real deal: change doesn't happen overnight. It's the little thing done consistently that lead to big results. Don't focus on the end goal right away. Focus on showing up every single day. Progress is made through persistence, not perfection. It's time to stop overthinking. A simple daily routine is your ticket to real self-improvement. Find your reason, keep it small, and make it a priority. Show up every day and watch your future self. Thank you, and if you want to stop overthinking forever, watch this video.